Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. And we're about to get this thing. Lady, I got this from my Primark. So you guys want some music? Yes, it's quarantine and we cannot be boring. Okay, gotta start off with some gospel. But you guys will see me cut out the music or just speed up the video and what's not. That's because your girl do not want to get any copyright for this video. So yeah. By the way, I think we're gonna have to move because my card is not that long. We have to start off holy. We got thanks. I think I'm gonna end up having to mute this because this makes a lot of noise. But anyways, it's gonna be on and off. But let's get into this video. I think I'm these are the ends I will be cutting, as you guys can see the difference. You see? I nearly set off the fire alarm. I was just telling you guys that my chair will be going down because the chair does its own thing. So it'll be up and down.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
One inch. So we have this like so I'm finished to the other side and just so you guys can actually make sure you guys actually see me properly. I'm gonna finish to let me see, yeah, I'm gonna finish doing the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, see, look at the ends are trimmed. Be right back. But I'm just gonna pass some my oil before I go. I'm just gonna pass some oil on this side of the hair. So something like this. Pass it in my hand and just make sure I get like everywhere. then I'll be right back. By the time I be back, this will probably be puffed up, so let's see. Well, anyways, the girl is not going anywhere because it's quarantine. I have to go in a shop, honestly, but I'm so scared to go in a shop. You see, when you clip your hair, you see how, look at this. Yes, it don't have no hair picking out. It don't have any hair picking out. It is twist and it's shiny. It looking all healthy. Look at this. This is just like an extra. Look at this. It's looking all healthy. You see this? Healthy. But we'll be right back. Right here, I'm just checking the other side with the other to see if they match, to make sure everything is all good. And as you guys can see, when I told you guys I'll be right back, I rushed the other side because I was tired. So that's why it's not as straight as the other or seem more poofy than the other. And yes, my ends are cut. It's just how frizzy the hair is. That's why it's looking like that. But I did my best. Now you guys know what to do and not what to do. Enjoy your quarantine. Blow dry your hair, clip it, take care of it, oil it, plait it so it can grow while we in quarantine.